Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everyone over at Anderson Electrical. My name is Josh here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I want to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you can start to increase your traffic and sales through your guys' website. A few of the things we're going to go over today are going to be the website build itself, some back-end stuff like SEO, backlinks, and keywords, content, as well as the Google My Business portion of it as well. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. The first thing I see is you guys do not have a secure site. This is considered SSL. It's about $100 a month or about $100 for a year. It's fairly easy to get through your domain host. Definitely want to have that. It secures everybody's contact information, personal information on your website, and also allows people to get your website through their firewalls. But with that being said, that's an easy fix. The other thing we want to focus on is your guys' website itself, right? You guys have a good looking website, got some contacts, got some projects. I don't see a service tab. So I don't really know what you guys do other than the fact that you're an electrical company. I see maybe you do office lighting. I see some services down here. That's good to see. You got a contact information, but your guys' website does not really have a whole lot. And we want to be adding content. We want to add content, pictures, call to action buttons, contact forms, all of that good stuff. But we're going to focus on content for right now. The average home page on a website should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words on it. Not just any kinds of content. You're probably asking, Josh, what kinds of content do I need then, right? So one thing we want to do is we can actually look up your guys' website here on a tool that we like to use called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is going to show us off of our URL what our website is doing for data online. We can go in here, we can figure out what backlinks you guys are currently targeting, what keywords you're currently targeting, and we can compare you to some of your top competition in the area. So we will copy and paste. We will load this up. And we're going to see what you guys are doing. So you have 203 backlinks. Figure out how many referring domains are actually hosting those backlinks. We can also figure out how many keywords you guys currently have. And we're going to compare you to your top competition, Jeremy Electrical. Jeremy is at the top of the ranks right now on the Google search engine for this specific keyword. So they know what they're doing. They're doing something right. We can go on here and figure out what keywords you guys currently have on your website, what kind of traffic it's getting to you right now. So we have Anderson Electrical Services. That's right. That's you guys. 150 searches every single month. We had a whole bunch of Anderson Electrical. Some of the better ones are going to be your service-based keywords. Electrician, Kansas. That's 200 search volume, right? You have electricians, Kansas as well. That's getting another 100 search volume every single month. But you guys aren't ranking very well. We can see you're in, let's get that out of the way, 35th position, 50th, 43rd, 46th, 59, 80, 83, 95. Right? So we want to be working on our keywords and ranking those up and getting some really good high volume keywords. So how we do that, like I mentioned, we're going to take your top competition in the area. If they are already killing it online and they are in the top spots, we got to figure out what they're doing. They have keywords like electrical questions. That's getting 500 search volume. That one keyword alone is combining more than few of the keywords you guys are currently targeting. Local electricians, 8,800 searches every single month. We want to be targeting good keywords so that way we can get our website all across the internet because, as we know, people search differently, right? Same thing for our backlinks. We can go in and we can look at all of their backlinks, compare you to your backlinks, figure out what they have, figure out what we don't have, vice versa, right? We want good kinds of backlinks. We want do follow and no follow backlinks. We also want citations. Citations are anywhere online like a Yellow Pages or a Yelp or a Facebook page, right? That has your business name, phone number, email address, contact information. That would be considered a citation. We also have guest posts. There's all kinds of really good backlinks that we can go in and get, right? We want to figure out all of these backlinks here on the green, and we want to add them to your guys' website. Also, we have the Google My Business portion of it, right? So when we search electrician, Kansas City, Missouri was the keyword that I used. The first thing I see right here is Google guaranteed ads. These are a phenomenal way to rank to the top without having to do the organic stuff or the SEO side of business. We can get right to the top by paying Google. These are a little bit cost expensive, but they work very, very well. Then we have your Google My Business profile image right here, right? Anderson Electrical, you guys have 7 reviews. You have all of your contact information, but yet again, we want to compare. Jeremy Electrical, what are they doing? They have 359 reviews. They have all of the content information here. They have an about section you guys didn't have. We want to really go and back and forth on all of these possible options that the top dogs right now are doing on Google, and we want to match them and then go above and beyond to totally blow these guys out of the water. So I know this was chock full of information. I hope it helps. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about this video, feel free to reach back out to me. All of my information is attached in the email. With that being said, guys, I hope you have a great day. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks.